In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a muted thread in Gmail. Whether you've accidentally muted an important thread or simply want to keep track of an ongoing conversation that you've silenced, I'm here to help you get things back on track in no time. So let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you need to open your Gmail, head over to your web browser and navigate to the Gmail homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar inbox page where all your emails are displayed. Now, to find those sneaky muted threads, we need to use a simple but effective search technique. Look towards the top of the page where you'll see the search bar. It's time to put it to good use. In the search bar, type is muted and press enter. This search command helps you locate all the emails that you have previously muted, so it's a powerful tool to have in your Gmail repertoire. Once you hit enter, Gmail will pull up a list of all your muted conversations. It's a bit like casting a net and seeing what comes up. You might even find a thread you forgot about entirely. With the list of muted threads in front of you, scan through them and identify the specific conversation you want to unmute. When you spot it, go ahead and select the thread. Clicking into it will open the conversation, giving you the full view of your prior messages. Now, while viewing the email, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see three vertical dots. This is the More menu. Clicking on these dots will drop down a small menu with a selection of options. From this menu, you need to choose Unmute. Go ahead and click Unmute, and just like that, you've reactivated the conversation, allowing new messages from this thread to flow back into your inbox as they arrive. And there you have it. That's all it takes to unmute a thread in Gmail. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few clicks. By following these steps, you'll ensure that no important conversation remains unheard, and you can keep on top of your emails just the way you like them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore more guides, and happy emailing.